cheese bread. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make your next favorite. This is a super simple cheese bread recipe and it works perfect with toast. Bring out your already covered bread form and pour your dough into it. Spread some cheese over it, not too much because you want it to become crispy on the top. And if it's too much cheese, the top will become soggy, not crispy. Then cover it for 1 hour until it have become double in size. For me, that takes about 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat your oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour, it should have doubled in size. If not, let it be for another 30 minutes. And remember to keep the room temperature a little higher than usual when the dough is raising. And into the oven it goes for 20 minutes or until golden on the top. And wow, that is just amazing. It's soft, it's fluffy, and it's crispy at the top. Just perfect. And the dough is a focaccia recipe we posted the other day. We will leave the link for that down in the description. So if you think this looks delicious, give the recipe a try, give us some feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!